Everybody, welcome back. Another episode of Jam. Today we're reacting to Airplane Part 2. It's the BTS comeback performance on M Countdown.
Yes,
be sure to check out the actual music video reaction we did. Not to Part 2, but to the first one.
From J-Hope.
Yeah, the J-Hope version. Be sure to check that out. It's going to be on the screen or something, around here. Be sure to get us to like over 1K. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and join the notification club to stay up to date on everything.
Some cha-cha stuff.
Hey, bro, you really gotta see them like in a dark setting, bro, because they always have like screens around them doing crazy stuff.
Smooth.
Ugh. That camera work was crazy. That boy,
It looks like
that boy laid down.
They comfy.
That's
pure silk.
What is that hat?
Hey, it's Straw Hat season.
Straw hat?
Is he a One Piece fan?
Maybe. Back to back. Justin.Gloo, what you mean? Oh,
Yeah.
that's all playing.
Hey, cool. Too cool, man. I'm trying to tell y'all.
The M Countdown crowd, they just be so
They
lit
ready, bro.
every
Like, yeah,
time.
you need that type of crowd, bro. That energy makes the performance better. Like, so,
Bro, you take a
New
good
school.
to this song.
New school Justin.Gloo. Stop playing.
Catch this at next year's prom.
Yeah.
What you mean?
What? Yo, they playing too much.
Choreography always original.
Yeah, this is a performance.
They're going
coach.
crazy.
It's a performance, coach.
Look at the camera up here that work.
I swear. That cameraman
Oh,
running.
it stays.
You know what I mean? Five. I ain't gonna tap.
This is the finest cameraman because I couldn't be able to capture this fast.
Not ever. They don't be looking tired. Like, I've never seen them sweat. Like,
They don't break a sweat.
they're bored to
They
do
do
this.
this in their sleep.
Like, come on now.
They come up with they're all telepathically connected. They just come up with dances in their sleep.
Telepathically connected. Oh!
Stop playing with these people.
Oh! No, you didn't. Oh, okay.
Killing the nose.
Bro,
They
it's
too cool. Come on,
new
they're
kids
too
are in town.
cool.
They be looking like a fighter roster, bro. Stop playing.
New kids are in town, guys.
And not even the new kids. They've been on the block. They came back to let them know that we've been here. We've
They're here
been
to
one
stay.
They have been here for a minute.
They're here to stay.
You can go ahead and check out the original video in the description below. Be sure to get us to like over 1K. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and join the notification club to stay up to date on everything that we post.
Be sure to check out the other videos. They'll be somewhere on the screen. Comment your favorite